Hi everyone, welcome to Sounds of Swasey, and today I'm with the Seacoast Ukulele Group, and we're gonna talk about all things music. The first starters, do you want to talk about how you got started with either performing in general or performing together?
Okay. Myself performing individually, I just started playing the ukulele about maybe 8 or 9 years ago. Because I saw a group, another local group that has a Groundhog Day luau, and Groundhog's Day is my favorite holiday, so I thought I better get a ukulele. But this group, I started in Seabrook, I think 4 to 5 years ago, just to find players closer to home. And one by one, they've come along. My friend Jack here was one of the first people that came along and to really solidify the group. And we've gotten a really close-knit group now. We have fun. So we have anywhere from, 5 or 6 to sometimes 15 or 18 people on a Wednesday evening. We play every Wednesday at the Seabrook Library, starting at 5. We also play in Kingston at the Rec Center on the third Saturday of every month, and we get a group there too that's a lot of fun. We'd invite everybody to just bring a song, and we'll all share and learn something new. So.
Yeah, I started playing ukulele about 4.5 years ago, and I discovered the Seabrook group the following December and started, and there's been no looking back. Susan has pushed me beyond my limits. When I started, I only knew 3 chords, and now I know 4. That's about it.
Yeah.
I started playing ukulele about 3 years ago, and about 2 years ago I discovered this group, and they're just such a fun group of people, and I just love playing with them. I had played previously, I had played a bunch of different music when I was younger. I played 4 different instruments when I was younger, and I really missed playing with groups. And, 40 years go by and 5 kids, and you lose touch with music, but I really missed it. And I'm so happy that I've met up with these people because it's just so much fun.
2, 3, 4.
with playing around and meeting other musicians in the area, is there anything you'd like to say about like what you think of the Seacoast community and what makes this one special? Or even Exeter, to be more specific.
I am very happy to live in the Seacoast area. There's a lot of music. There's just ukulele alone. There's all kinds of players and groups and things to do and things happening. So it's a great place to be. You know, we love it.
Yeah. Yeah, the Seacoast has a lot of opportunities, and we play at a lot of the local senior centers, nursing homes, farmers markets, things like that, which we really enjoy playing for people.
I enjoy playing at all the different venues that we've been playing at, and it's just fun to get out in the community and play.
As a group, do you have any particular influences that you bring together to your performances?
Well, do you want to talk?
A lot of songs from the 60s,
Yeah.
which Susan is trying to drag us out of the 60s. But
We like it there.
Yeah, I believe we go up to about 2008 in music.
That's pushing it. I think our backgrounds are all different, but you know, I played piano. Lauren played a lot of things, including trombone. And there's also people that never picked up an instrument before, but we all just are there because we love music and songs that we grew up with, and we have fun with it. We do try to branch out and try new things, but we do love the 60s, gotta say.
Yeah.
And do you guys have like a creative process in terms of like putting the songs together as a group?
That's a good
Yeah.
That's a good question. There's nothing formal. It's really nothing formal. We've started like, you know, somebody will bring a song forward. Hey, how about we try this? Or the librarians where we play sometimes have made suggestions which have worked out well. And the good thing about ukulele music is you can go online and punch in any song ukulele on Google, and it's there somewhere, and you can learn it.
Okay. Have you guys performed in specifically Exeter at all?
Yes, we played here. We've been here in this bandstand at Christmas time one year. I've been here to do a practice in the past. We did the stroll. We did the Christmas stroll 1 year. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sweet
a performer during the pandemic, it was like harder to perform live, but now that things are kind of starting to wind down, have you found it easier to find places to play and stuff like that?
Oh, yeah. My favorite things are the nursing homes, and of course we couldn't go there. We did a few where we were outside, outside the windows. And us as a Seabrook group, we played outside a long time, and, in the parking lot, wherever we could go. But yeah, it's wide open now. Everybody's ready to have entertainment again. We do have to wear our masks inside at some places, but it's worth it just to get back in there.
One thing that we were fortunate is the Seabrook Library has a very large meeting room in there, and it'd be 12 or 15 of us. It could easily accommodate probably 30 or 40 people, and we could stand 6 feet apart. At the beginning we were wearing masks, and that slowly waned. But like I said, we're very fortunate to play at that library.
Because Zoom is not fun.
Yeah, Zoom music, as somebody else said last year, is not where it's at. And is there any advice you would give to young performers just getting started?
We're kind of old performers just getting started, so I would say to anybody, just have fun with it. It should be fun.
Right.
And if it's not, you should find something else.
Right. I have 4 grandchildren, and all of them played ukulele at one time, and 2 of them, the 2 boys, would play at nursing homes with us, and they finally got to the age that it's not cool anymore. But it was great. It was great.
Did you?
Okay. And do you guys have any closing thoughts before we finish?
We invite anybody who's got any thoughts at all about playing an instrument to join us. We're open to anybody, beginners, talent is not required. Just come on down. Enthusiasm. Yes, just a smile. So we have fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how can our viewers reach you if they want to contact?
We are on Meetup, the Seacoast Ukulele Players, SUP. So you can find us there, join, see what we're up to, and come on down.
We're also on Facebook under the Seacoast Ukulele Players.
Perfect. I was going to ask if you have any social accounts you want to shout out, but thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.